In this video, we've highlighted the top 5 best turbo air blower fans that stand out in the market for their incredible performance. I've carefully selected this list based on factors like wind speed, durability, user feedback, and affordability. These blowers are perfect for a range of tasks, from cleaning and drying to industrial use, offering unmatched power and efficiency. For more information about these products, be sure to check the description section below. And don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with our future reviews. Now, let's dive in and explore these amazing turbo air blower fans. Number 1. X6 Violent Fan 140,000 RPM Powerful Air Blower. The X6 Violent Fan Air Blower is the ultimate solution for fast and efficient dust cleaning. Featuring a powerful 140,000 RPM brushless motor, it generates strong winds of up to 53 meters per second, making it perfect for cleaning electronics, keyboards, car interiors, and more. Its compact and lightweight design, coupled with Type-C charging, ensures convenience and portability. The blower is built with a durable brushless turbojet system, providing high performance and longevity. With eco-friendly, reusable functionality, it's a sustainable alternative to canned air. Whether for home, office, or industrial use, this high-speed blower is a must-have tool for anyone seeking effective, hassle-free cleaning. Say goodbye to stubborn dust and enjoy spotless cleanliness effortlessly. Number 2. 1PC Violent Fan High-Speed Turbofan. Introducing the 1PC Violent Fan High-Speed Turbofan, the ultimate handheld solution for powerful cooling. This brushless charging fan delivers high-speed airflow with exceptional air volume, making it perfect for outdoor activities, car use, or personal cooling in any setting. Its turbofan technology ensures efficient performance, while the rechargeable battery offers convenience and portability. Designed for durability and long-lasting use, this fan is lightweight yet robust, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Whether you're battling heat waves, needing a reliable fan for camping, or just looking for a compact cooling device, this fan ticks all the boxes. Upgrade your cooling experience with this versatile, high-performance fan today. Number 3. KEEAFFOR 200M/S Brushless Turbojet Fan. Experience unmatched power and convenience with the KEEAFFOR 200M/S Brushless Turbojet Fan. Engineered for efficiency, this 2000 watts cordless air blower offers an incredible airspeed of 200 meters per second, perfect for effortlessly clearing dust, leaves, and debris. The brushless motor ensures durability, quieter operation, and outstanding performance, making it ideal for both professional and home use. This air blower is compatible with Makita 18 volts batteries, providing cordless flexibility and uninterrupted use. Its lightweight and ergonomic design reduces user fatigue, even during extended tasks, while the easy-to-control settings enhance precision. Whether for garden maintenance, workshop cleaning, or household tasks, this handheld power tool delivers. Upgrade your toolkit today and make cleanup a breeze. Number 4. Air Blower 140,000 RPM Turbojet Fan. Introducing the cutting-edge Air Blower 140,000 RPM Turbojet Fan, your go-to solution for powerful, efficient cleaning. Engineered with a high-speed brushless motor, this blower achieves an incredible 140,000 RPM, delivering a super strong airflow of 52 m/s to tackle dust, dirt, and debris with ease. Whether you need to clean keyboards, laptops, car interiors, or other hard-to-reach spaces, this blower ensures precision and convenience. Its ergonomic handheld design makes it lightweight and portable, ideal for home, office, and outdoor use. Equipped with a Type-C charging port, it ensures fast, hassle-free recharging, while the power display feature keeps you in control of the battery status. Built to last, this versatile blower is both eco-friendly and highly durable, making it a superior alternative to disposable compressed air cans. Upgrade your cleaning experience today with the Air Blower 140,000 RPM Turbojet Fan and enjoy professional-grade performance in a compact package. Number 5. 130,000 RPM Mini Air Blower. The 130,000 RPM Mini Air Blower is a powerful, high-speed handheld blower that offers exceptional performance with its brushless motor. Generating an impressive 52 meters per second wind speed, it's perfect for a variety of applications including cleaning delicate electronics, drying tools and surfaces, clearing dust from vents, and even outdoor use for removing leaves and debris. The compact and lightweight design allows for easy handling and portability, making it ideal for both professional and home use. The blower's brushless motor ensures quieter operation, longer durability, and reduced maintenance, giving you reliable performance for years. With its ergonomic handle, you can comfortably use it for extended periods without fatigue. This high-performance mini air blower is an essential tool for anyone in need of powerful, precise airflow. Get yours today and experience efficient cleaning and drying like never before. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.